We want to make the urban design and planning process of our cities more fun and engaging, to make our cities more of a collaborative effort and better for everyone. Currently, municipalities are using old methods to get input from citizens, but we can change that. That's why we set out to create UrbanAR, an intuitive app in which you can design your dream neighborhood, a new park or a crazy art piece. The app also allows you to share your ideas with the world, compete in contests and get inspired by others. We tested the app with numerous people and there's one constant: it's so much fun. On the map you can see an overview of all builds and championships in your area. Championships are design challenges that run for a set amount of time and are organized when a specific area in the city is up for change. This way the needs and wishes of citizens can be taken better into account. By tapping on a build or championship you can take a closer look at its contents and show your love for the ideas. You can also click on the build button to start building at your current location. You can pick objects such as a bench or a tree from the library. These objects will then be added to the inventory, from which they can be placed in the scene. This is done by aiming the device at the desired location. You can scale the object with a pinch gesture. To rotate horizontally and vertically, slide your finger across the screen and tapping the place button. If you wish to manipulate already placed objects, first tap the select button and then the objects you want to select. To move the selection, aim the device at the new desired location. Selected objects can also be manipulated as described before. Tap the place button to confirm your changes.